Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Freshdesk for faster support and retention step by step clearly. Visit the Freshdesk website by typing the URL into your browser. On the home page, locate the Sign Up button, typically found in the upper right corner. Click on the Sign Up button to proceed. You will be directed to a registration page. Enter your email address in the designated field. Create a strong password that meets the specified criteria. Fill in your first and last name in the appropriate fields. Select your company name and size from the drop-down menus. Choose your country from the options available. Click on the Get Started button to continue. Check your email for a verification link sent by Freshdesk. Open the email and click on the verification link to verify your account. Once verified, return to the Freshdesk website. You will now see options to set up your support portal. Customize your support portal with your brand name and logo. Set up your ticketing preferences according to your team's needs. Add team members by entering their email addresses and assigning roles. Configure your automation rules for faster response times. Explore the knowledge base section to create helpful articles for users. Integrate any necessary third-party apps or tools to enhance functionality. Once your setup is complete, click on Start using Freshdesk to launch your account. Familiarize yourself with the dashboard and available features. Schedule a training session if needed to optimize your usage. Monitor your support performance regularly to ensure efficiency. Make adjustments based on feedback and analytics as necessary. Congratulations, you are now ready to use Freshdesk for better support and retention. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.